They say divorce destroys childhoods, so you need to understand what are the initial signs of parental alienation and take preventive actions immediately without delay. It's important to note that parental alienation is a controversial concept in the field of psychology and family law. Although the courts make custody decisions based on the best interests of the child, the duration of time spent with one parent alone is of utmost importance. If the custody orders are highly contested in courts, then there is direct impact on children's best interest due to high possibility of parental alienation. In such cases of suspected parental alienation, courts may take action to protect the child's well-being. This may include ordering counseling, modifying custody arrangements, or imposing sanctions on the alienating parent. But such measures mostly fail due to the delay caused for the litigation process, which exposes the child to adverse tutoring from custodial parent against the non-custodial parent. If you suspect that parental alienation is occurring in your family, it's advisable to seek legal counsel and consider involving a mental health professional who specializes in family dynamics and child psychology to address the situation in a way that prioritizes the child's well-being. Assessing the impact of parental alienation on a child's behavior is a complex process typically conducted by trained professionals, such as child custody evaluators and mental health experts. It involves a thorough evaluation of the child's well-being and behavior. Please understand that this quiz should be used only as a simplified tool to consider some of the potential impacts for educational purposes only, and should not replace a professional evaluation. This is a quiz to assess the intensity of parental alienation on your child. Answer each question with yes or no. So please write down the count of yes answers on a piece of paper for the assessment. Let us start the quiz now. 1. Has the child exhibited signs of fear or anxiety related to interactions with the alienated parent? Yes, no. 2. Does the child appear hesitant or reluctant to spend time with the alienated parent, even when it's their scheduled visitation time? Yes, no. 3. Has the child shown a significant decline in school performance or attendance, which may be linked to the parental alienation situation? Yes, no. 4. Is the child experiencing emotional distress, such as depression, anxiety, or withdrawal, low self-esteem, feeling unworthy and unloved, that appears connected to the parental alienation dynamic? Yes, no. 5. Has there been notable any changes in the child's behavior, such as increased anger, aggression, or mood swings, that coincide with the alienation behaviors? Yes, no. 6. Is the child expressing negative views, or making disparaging comments about the alienated parent, even when it seems inconsistent with their previous relationship? Yes, no. 7. Does the child seem confused or conflicted about their feelings for the alienated parent, expressing love and affection at times and hostility or rejection at other times? Yes, no. 8. Has the child been isolated from extended family members or friends associated with the alienated parent due to the alienation behaviors? Yes, no. 9. Has the child been involved in adult conflicts and legal matters related to custody, potentially burdening them with inappropriate emotional and informational responsibilities? Yes, no. 10. Is the child displaying signs of loyalty conflict, feeling pressure to choose sides between the parents, or experiencing a divided sense of identity? Yes, no. 11. Has the custodial parent refused to cooperate with court-ordered counseling, mediation, or visitation arrangements, causing delays or disruptions of child visitation or access for more than 1 month? Yes, no. 12. Has the custodial parent ever made false accusations of abuse, neglect, or inappropriate behavior against the other parent, without credible evidence to back their claims? Yes, no. 13. Is the interactions and activities between the child and the other parent being closely monitored and scrutinized by the custodial parent, attempting to control their time together? Yes, no. 14. Is the child using the same words to repeat the accusations of abuse, neglect, or inappropriate behavior against the other parent, same as the custodial parent or the wordings of the custody petition? Yes, no. 15. Is there a long gap of more than 1 month passed between the parental visits or access causing a change in the attitude of the child towards the non-custodial parent? Yes, no. Scoring. Please count the number of yes answers. 0 to 4 yes answers. The quiz suggests a lower likelihood of severe behavioral impact associated with parental alienation. Make sure that you do not ignore behavioral changes and seek legal recourse for small adverse behaviors. 5 to 8 yes answers. Some behaviors may raise concerns related to the impact of parental alienation on the child's well-being. Consult with professionals for further evaluation without losing any time or delays. 9 to 15 yes answers. The quiz indicates a higher likelihood of significant behavioral impact associated with parental alienation. It's crucial to address these issues promptly without delays or hesitations through legal channels and professional intervention. Hope this quiz was helpful for you to assess if your child is showing signs of parental alienation and needs immediate actions. Please follow and subscribe for similar quizzes regarding divorce, alimony, parental plan, judicial separation, child support, child access, child custody, parental alienation, non-custodial parents, and similar legal matters.